Here's a quick tutorial on how to conduct personal airborne lead dust exposure monitoring at your shooting range. First, obtain a fully charged air sampling pump and airflow calibrator. Turn on your air pump and airflow calibrator. Let the pump warm up for about 5 minutes before calibrating. Grab a dedicated calibration cassette and remove the inlet and outlet plugs. Do not calibrate with cassettes intended for air sampling use. Connect your air pump's tubing to the outlet side of the sampling cassette. Remember to always connect your air sampling pump to this outlet side, or else your sample will be invalid. Now connect the airflow calibrator's tubing to the inlet side of the sampling cassette. Wait 30 seconds to a minute for the flow rate to stabilize. The targeted flow rate is approximately 2 liters per minute. You don't need to be exactly at 2 liters per minute. Any flow rates within 5 to 10% of 2 liters per minute is good enough. Disconnect the calibration cassette from the air pump. Record the pre-calibration flow rates in your field notes. Obtain an unused air sampling cassette. Be sure to turn off the air pump prior to connecting it to the outlet side of the air sampling cassette.